my amazing pandas! Welcome back to another Femme Luxe review! Oh, it's been so long, but I'm so happy to be here once again showcasing these amazing pieces. So with this first number, I have hold-ups on with some cute furry sandals. And obviously I'll make sure to pop everything in the description. But mainly onto this dress because I don't want to faffle too much. So if I'm honest, I'm not too happy with this. As gorgeous as this looks, it doesn't fit well. It literally does not fit well. It's one side's a bit too big. And if I'm honest, the bust is not filled out at the top, which kind of makes it a bit too baggy. And it just doesn't fit right. I mean, the skirt part is really nice. I have plenty of elasticity in there, so it does hug. Not as well as I hope, but still there's something there. But the top is just as gorgeous as it looks. I'm not a fan at all. It's a shame really, because it actually is quite a nice dress. And obviously I'm just sort of letting you guys know the fact that there was some boning in there or piping just to hold it all up, as obviously the lace is super delicate. And obviously, as you can see, it comes with padded cups at the front with this really weird kind of cutout bit, which just doesn't look right, but never mind. And then obviously just showing here the fact that like it does come lined underneath, so it hopefully won't snag on any tights or anything like that, or any kind of hosiery you might want to pair it with. But yeah, just the overall quality, I'm not too pleased with, to be honest. I expected so much better, considering it's such a gorgeous dress, but never mind. I suppose if I got a size 6, I might not have this issue, but who knows. But yeah, I'd have to say overall quality, not the greatest. The fit isn't the nicest, to be honest. It looks great, but yeah, there's so much more that they could do to make this such a perfect dress. But never mind. And I forgot to add, this dress wrinkles quite a lot at the bottom. I just needed to add that in because it looks like it wouldn't, but it really, truly does. And onto the second piece. I've kept the hold-ups and the shoes the same because it's just so much easier to do. But this dress, we're working with a whole satin number, and it's pretty interesting, I have to admit. So it comes with adjustable ties around the shoulders, which is cool. But then also at the side of the dress, right, you can adjust it there too. Now, I mean, I don't know how big-breasted some people are, but I had to really tie these tight because it was just, I don't know, if I'm honest, I thought it was a very weird concept. Like, why would you need that? I thought it was a bit of a waste, but never mind. But anyway, I do quite like the look of it. I mean, if I'm honest, it looks like something that I would wear to bed, not like something I would go out in at all, clubbing or dinner or anywhere. I would literally wear something like this to bed. But I do like the fact that, it is quite flowy. I mean, I've got a bit of static at the moment, so it keeps sticking to me. But it is quite a flowy dress. And the top part of it actually does fit quite nicely around the chest. So I can't complain there. But yeah, it's just a bit of a weird one. I mean, it looked really great online, but now I'm just not too sure about it, to be honest. And I mean, here, obviously, the quality is pretty decent. It, once again, could be better. But for what it is, it actually isn't too bad. It works quite well. It looks nice. But, yeah, it's not one of my ones that I'm going to rate like 10 out of 10 or something. Now, moving on to this beauty. So we are getting better. We are actually getting better. And I like the fact that I've paired this with hold-ups because you can see it just peeking through. Oh, yes, it works, it works. So this dress fits a lot better, I have to admit. It fits really nice. It's really snug. It's super elasticated, so it hugs me very, very well. And I do like that. I like the whole asymmetric as well. You've kind of got a mini dress situation going on with this added kind of extra bit of material at the side to just give it that something. I mean, I like it. I'm not hating it at all. One thing I did find really weird was obviously the crisscross at the front. It did kind of strangle me to begin with, but then I had to keep like stretching it out to loosen it a bit. And then it was okay. It wasn't too bad. But yeah, it was just a bit of a situation trying to get this dress on with it. And I have to say, I do really like the overall look of this dress. The only thing I have an issue with is that plunge. That neckline is gorgeous, but oh, when I say it plunges quite bad. Like, I have to keep tugging it up every so often just because it's going to become overexposure. and that's not something we need on here. No. But apart from that, this dress is actually very nice. It hugs very well, as obviously I've shown there. It's very elasticated, very stretchy. So it's actually a great dress. It looks really nice. Just my only issue with this one is just that plunge neckline. If it wasn't that bad, honestly, this dress would be a straight 10 out of 10 because it looks pure fire. And I don't say that about many dresses, but honestly, this one I really do like. Last but not least, this weird little number. Now, weird, I say, because of this necktie situation. Oh my gosh. So I had so much struggle trying to get this necktie bit right. It wouldn't sit right. It just, if I'm honest, it makes just my whole body look so weird. Just it was so hard to try and get this sorted just before getting this review done on it. It was an absolute nightmare. Don't be wrong, it looks okay, but the one thing I have a massive issue with is the fact that it's very see-through. And I mean, very see-through. Like, I have to kind of keep my distance, if I'm honest, in this video, just because a bit too much would be shown. And I can't be having that on YouTube. I'm gonna get banned or something. But yeah, not the greatest dress, if I'm honest.